Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. It's been a minute since I've posted on this channel. This year has been horrendously down bad for most people in this market, myself included. None of the coins it feels like none of the coins can go up. That's what it feels like. None of them can go up for whatever reason. This year is just dreadful, with Bitcoin pretty much close to its all-time highs. A lot of people think a bear market could be on the way as well, right? Bitcoin teetering around the 100K level. Everything else is just completely dying. There's a few outliers here and there though, and that's what I think we have to capitalize on and find for the next leg up. Once there is a next leg up, and I personally believe there will be, for Bitcoin, and that's going to be the euphoric phase. So the project I'm about to dive into for you guys is called Gorbagana. Ticker is GOR. And what is so special about this coin? It's a meme coin on Solana, but I've been tracking it for a while. It's in a great time for you to enter, and I'll explain why, right? It is basically Solana, everything Solana does, but specifically designed for the degens, designed for people that want to just trade meme coins without all the, utility and all that other, and the institutional way the Solana Foundation is headed, right? Solana, recently as well, you see the Solana Foundation got listed on the NASDAQ as BSOL. So they're trying to get the institutional bid. So what Gorbagana's mission was to create Solana, and everything is working as far as the chain. It's about to go into its trash net. It's based on like Oscar the Grouch. So it's basically like a trash L1 chain of Solana, forked meaning like it's literally the same tech, the speed, the use case, the usability, but with Gore, it's more just degenerate gamblers trying to find the next 1000x, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if you see 1000x runners spawn on the Gorbagana chain, since the Solana Foundation is going to be focusing on institutional investors, right? So everything, here on the website for you to check out. I'm telling you guys, this will be a massive winner in my opinion. It could potentially get to $1 billion market cap. It's like buying Solana, when Solana was $8, right? When Solana was before the bull run started. As you can see from the chart, it started an uptrend from the bottom, the low. So right now it's about 2x from the low if you was able to buy this exact low, right? But right now is a perfect entry because you could see that uptrend forming. And I saw, a move like this in a few other coins, just a couple other coins this year, because it's so dreadful. Most of them had their massive launch. They came down, they hit their bottom, and then the uptrend started, and then they went on a massive run, right? An example of this was Useless. Useless did a move like that, went straight to 400 mil market cap. So for me personally, because this is an L1 fork of Solana, basically Solana, the meme version of Solana, this could potentially hit those types of market cap levels, right? And if you check the Twitter is has some nice followers, 17k followers, nice community, 3.2k members in the community. They have NFTs as well, and the bridge is officially live. And what's so interesting is that 13% of all the Gorbagana tokens, the holders who have true conviction, already bridged over 13% of the supply to receive rewards on the chain whenever the chain is fully functional, right? And that's just something that is very bullish to see. That is extremely bullish to see, my personal opinion, right? And before you know it, there are going to be people trading their Gore tokens for, coins on Gore. I've seen this setup before with Degen, right? Degen was a similar coin that did something similar on Base, right? And Degen you know, it launched on base and people were trading coins on degen. And when you know, the main net, or for Gorbagana the trash net, went live, that was it. You just saw it absolutely explode, man. You just saw it absolutely explode from basically nothing in market cap. Let's see if I could pull up the market cap back here. Around the same market cap as Gore. See, around 15 million, even lower than that, 3 million, 4 million at the low. And then when it went all the way up to 797 million market cap. That's how far degen went to. So I wouldn't be surprised if Gore does way more than that, because there's way more traders on Solana compared to base, right? In my opinion, there's not much traders on base compared to Solana. So I wouldn't be surprised if Gore goes to a billion, if not 2 billion market cap, if not more. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Twitter is very active. They have been building for a long time. If this was a coin that was gonna flop, guys, you would have already seen it. You wouldn't see it making a comeback now, right? So I think you guys should take a look. I think this is the next 100x gem. Just to know that the creators of the coin have built out, you know, are building out an actual working L1 that is basically Solana. Degen Solana is massive to me, right? So let me get your thoughts down below. If you hold the token, let me get your thoughts. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I'll catch you in the next video.